I'm very intentional about this Mother's Day this year because I'm 10th year. I don't be mama. I've been a mother for 10 years. Like, you know, it's not easy. It's not easy. I feel being a wife comes easy for me. Not be saying that one easy like that. It just comes easy. But to be mama, the work, So I'm celebrating myself. It's a special Mother's Day for me.
Chai, my people, we all know say today na Mother's Day. Na so Realwarripikin come out come dey thank Baba God for making her a mother of two. Say she dey very grateful. Say e no dey easy, even though giving birth to her two children was effortlessly for her. But unluckily for her, she no fit give birth again because of her weight loss stuff. She come dey say she dey down. She wish say she go get pikin again. But nevertheless, she dey grateful for the ones wey Baba God give her. Say she thank Baba God say na man and woman she get. She can use the opportunity to appreciate women wey don become mother. Say e no dey easy to become mother at all. She can pray for them. Say their children will be a huge blessings to them. Say they all will reap the fruit of their labor. She likewise prayed for those wey still dey find the fruit of the womb. She can tell them say make they no think too much. Say this year Baba God go remember them. And I said a big amen to that prayer. If you are a woman and you're looking for the fruit of the womb and you're watching this video, I connect you to my words this night. As you're watching this video, heaven will open for you. This year you will carry your child, and next year you will celebrate the Mother's Day. I want you to type amen if you are watching this video. Don't skip this video. Like, share, comment, and your miracle is already on the way. Happy Mother's Day to every woman out there. Your children will continue to be a blessing to each and every one of you. None of you will find any of your children missing. You shall live long to reap the fruit of your womb. Once again, happy Mother's Day. Okay guys, let's watch the rest of the video. Do well to follow this channel, subscribe. You know, as we dey do am for here, this channel na Boko news we dey carry come. This way dey totori body as dem dey cook am, na so we dey carry come give you. Now it's still am girl Cindy. Oh yeah, now stay safe out there. See you guys on my next episode. Bye.